What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I'm returning with another awesome recipe for you all to enjoy. Today we are making some creamy shrimp fettuccine, and it is so amazing. But guess what? I'm actually not the one who made it. This is my daughter's favorite dish, so I gave her step-by-step directions on how to get it done. Unfortunately, she's a little camera shy, so she's not here to talk it through with me. We're gonna make her do what her do. It's okay. So let's not waste any time and get right onto this recipe. Let's get started. So you want to begin by getting a pot of water to a rolling boil. We are just going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt and then toss in about 3/4 of that box of fettuccine pasta. You want to go ahead and let it do its thing until it's al dente. And once it is, you want to drain it and set it off to the side. Moving on, I have myself a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. On the screen, I have listed the seasoning that we are using to get this shrimp tasting oh so delicious, and it will be listed in the description box as well as far as all the measurements and whatnot for this recipe. I have my pan here to about a medium high, and we drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan. We tossed our shrimp in. Keep in mind, shrimp cooks so quickly, takes nothing but about 2 minutes per side. You want to go ahead and flip it at this point. And after it spends another 2 minutes on the secondary side, we're gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat as we move on to the next step. And let me know in the comments below, have you seen our last recipe? It was so delicious. We did a seafood boil ramen that was out of this world. OMG, stop playing with me. You guys have to check that video out if you haven't already. So moving on, we are tossing in a little bit of butter into this pan. You go ahead and reduce your heat to about a medium. We're tossing in an onion. We're gonna toss in some minced garlic, and once we let those do its thing for about a couple of minutes, we are then gonna toss in our heavy cream. And keep in mind, you should have a little bit of that dry seasoning from earlier that we used to season our shrimp. You want to go ahead and sprinkle that in to your heavy cream as well. And we are also going to toss in just a pinch of Italian seasoning into this. And you do want to let it come to a simmer, and you want to taste as you go. If it needs a little bit of more salt, a little bit more pepper to your taste, you can then add it, guys. And we are also going to toss in a whole lot of Parmesan cheese into this wonderful creamy sauce right here. It is looking so good already. Parmesan cheese is going in. I can't wait to try this, guys. You already know it's gonna be so bomb. So our Parmesan cheese is going in. You want to go ahead and give that a stir. After our Parmesan cheese, we are gonna toss in our shrimp. We are gonna reintroduce that to the party, guys. Look at this, look at this. And once we have that going, we are then gonna toss in our fettuccine pasta that we have set off to the side. If you remember, we drained it and we had it sit in there, and we're just gonna slowly reincorporate this into our sauce right here and just mix it in. It is looking so delicious. Once you have your pasta in there, you want to go ahead and just top it off with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and we are ready to give this a try. So this was just like a cool video where I really wanted to show my daughter how easy it is to make her favorite dish. I will do my best to try to convince her to not be so camera shy, so we can really do a video with me and her. Okay, so let's give this recipe a try. All right, now I am ready to dig in. It is looking good, smelling good as always. Let's see how she did. You know what I'm saying? It is looking amazing though. I cannot even lie. I'm excited to give this a try. I love me some creamy fettuccine. I think that rhymes a little bit, don't it? Cheers, guys. This is so good right here. She did her thing. She did her thing on this for sure, for sure. Absolutely amazing, jam-packed with so much flavor, baby. So darn good. I am proud of you over there, hiding in the background, not wanting to show your face and stuff. You did a good job. Thank you all for watching today's video. Make sure you hit me with a like so YouTube knows that you're loving the content. Subscribe if you're new, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the recipe as well as what you want to see on the next video. I'm out, guys. See you on the next one.